I'm on Fossil Walk in Badlands Park. It's a pretty cool name, and this place is famous for its fossils, particularly mammals, which we've found lots of ancient pigs, rhinos, horses, rabbits, rodents, and plenty of others. I find it amazing that this piece of history can be preserved like this for millions of years. And what about a million years from now? How much of our current culture will be left? Some people think that the digital age means everything can be kept forever, but that's not exactly true. Did you know that digital data decays as well? When you copy a photo, particularly to social media sites, you lose a bit of the data, which is why they get more blurry as they bounce around the internet. Even if you store something on a USB stick that you kept locked in a vacuum for millennia, it can still lose data, and this can be due to electromagnetism or because the metal-like electrons still move around, so the hardware is slowly changed. This type of digital decay takes a very long time, but constantly copying images and videos improperly can lower their quality. So when dealing with digital assets, make sure you copy from an original, have a backup, and regularly cross-check the images with a CRC, MD5 hash or similar. This way your images always remain sharp as this video. Hey, what's going on? Ah, no, I'm not the original Josh, I'm a clone.